Hey YouTube, I'm gonna ride bikes here. Got the Whitey bike Intense M6. Couldn't go to the trails today because I'm doing some work at home with my clients, and I got that Bell helmet on with the white stripe, and I put a GoPro mine on the chin, and we're gonna do a bike check after a couple rides. Let me know if that view is okay. Trying to make sure the dogs don't go crazy on me. Because it sets dogs off every once in a while. You're on the chin mount. I'm just trying to cruise on out of here. Ooh, big branch right there. Oh yeah. Little chunk, little chunk, little chunk. Ooh, what the heck did I just walk into? I haven't rode up here in a long time, so I don't know what I'm looking into or what I'm walking into. Just a bunch of people out and about. I thought I heard a flat. I thought I heard a flat. Didn't even kick it. That was that ride. Gotta wait for the lady to walk her dogs. And let's roll it. Let's roll it. Let's roll it, folks. That's what I didn't want to hit, was that right there. This is a little slow run. A lot of people have loose dogs here, so I'm trying not to get them startled. It's a city park, and there's a lot of branches. Ooh-wee. Well, I promised a bike check of this Intense M6 from 2013 or 14. We're going to start at the front cockpit. I got Fox 40s. Front rim is a Sunringle wrapped with Minion DHF wheel. Go up a makeshift fender with supporting my local bike company, Thick Bikes. Come up to here. We got a black market stem, followed by Renthal fat bars, followed by Formula the One disc brake with ODI gold wraps. This one's kind of loose. If you go down to the stem, 3 spacers with the Cane Creek headset. Come down here, It's a Manitou rear shock. Let me see if I can get the spring weight. I can't even see the spring weight. But if you go right here, I got the E13 with the race face, Answer pedals, E13 chain guide. Back here, another makeshift fender. Come down here, I got the Saint derailleur, followed by Sunringle rim with the formula in the back. The back rim is wrapped with Maxxis Minion DHR2. We follow back up here. I got a Hope seat clamp with, I don't recall that seat post. And this saddle, I forget the name of it too, but leave in the comments if you know what saddle that is. We're up here in this park, and I've been talking to people in the committee. Sorry, I'm not used to that chin mount. As I was saying, I was talking to some city people about using this to make just little pump track for the kids, little mini skate park, something, because they got all this land. You can have some nice courses back here, but dealing with the city, don't think they want to budge. Therefore, that trail built in the woods is more appropriate to do, because nobody goes there besides me to ride my bike. Well, sorry for a short video, bike check ride. It's one of them days where you think you have off, and then a call comes in, you have to take care of some business. It is freaking hot out. Going home to see where I gotta be. I don't recommend doing this on sidewalks, but hey, there's a bar right here, people come out. And cut all my speed down. It is what it is. On your left. That's why it's not good to be on sidewalks. In case a handicapped person not pedals, but goes by. I'm just trying to get home. Got a call to take care of. On your right, on your right. is what it is. My favorite phrase, if you didn't catch that. And somebody's coming up, so gotta watch right here. Coming on. There's the driveway right there. Street right here, nobody's coming. Farmer's market going on. Well, this is what I was riding, my Intense M6, but I wanted to show you the Bell helmet I got. How I use my lanyard. I zip tied handlebar mount right there. Put the eyelet right there for the lanyard. Twisted it around here, and I looped it right here so it's not in the way. If you look in there, it's right here. It's not on the cheek pad. Not a bad tip, eh?